Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so na many abo article bi so ewo social media. Me pese me read it. A lot of people also commenting on it. Me who say President Akufo-Addo ne cousin nso was share this article. It is an article from Asase Radio, asaseradio.com. Na asema wa moka and say they have been reliably informed. Say John Dramani Mahama finally wayena adwen say we congratulate Akufo-Addo for winning the 2020 elections. On say abatu no ekwoso no Mahama ankasa de we kasa no so far won congratulate Akufo-Addo ye. A lot of people were calling say was say Mahama or congratulate because wanya sa na nkrofo be fin say still eya woni mu ebenam so e man nkrofo e de akwa akodi bone. And so Asase Radio, and I mean we must state Asase Radio is a radio station that belongs to President Akufo-Addo's cousin, and so they are saying say Mahama or Baba congratulate. I'll read the article so we know why they are saying this, and a lot of people are also questioning say akwa say I say President Akufo-Addo nkrofo and mortally President Akufo-Addo hono, they are too much concerned about Mahama conceding defeat and congratulating. And no Mahama ya again and no film. So a lot of people are also asking those questions. Yabeko ne yakwa share no. So ba mesremo ne mama ati ase we have a new YouTube channel. Link no our description box ne mu. Enche yabesha ase say ye posti videos ato ho. Say ye posti videos and now be say embra ye posti videos eto ho. Just subscribe to that new channel no. Nti no oya ne sa ye ni ebeje. We also now subscribing to this particular one. It's here for Yanko story name. Now, this is a story by Wilberforce Asare. I think he's a reporter from Asase Radio. See, flag bearer of the opposition National Democratic Congress in the 7th December 2020 general elections and former president of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, is expected to congratulate his main contender, President Akufo-Addo, for winning the 8 elections held under the 1992 Fourth Republic Constitution after nearly 4 months of failing to do same. Just after 4 months, Mahama won't congratulate Akufo-Addo. No, finally, Baba congratulating. Also, sources close to the functional executive of the NDC have hinted to Asase News that John Mahama will finally concede and congratulate Nana Akufo-Addo for winning the 2020 presidential election. Also, Mr. Mahama has been dallying about this for a while now. Now, the all can say, same way as Nana Mahama, I say, I don't know the meaning of dilly-dallying, but I want to understand, say, but please, let me just set the meaning of the word dilly-dallying so that so just a minute. Hey, Google, meaning of the word dilly-dallying.
Here's the definition of dilly-dally. Informal. Waste time through aimless wandering or indecision.
Okay, inti yaka se dilly-dally na dilly-dallying na. Say Google person say waste time through aimless wandering or indecision. That is idea sebe indecision, you are indecisive. Who waste time. Inti no brofo a wo use no I want say Mahama na oye dilly-dallying. That say o waste time and I say one year indecisive as to whether to congratulate Akufo-Addo or not. I don't know, but I feel the word dilly-dallying Asase Radio used based on the definition I just read. It's an offensive word. That's what I think. I say one of Asase News' sources within the NDC confirmed that a few weeks ago the NDC election 2020 flag bearer wrote a concession statement to issue but was impressed upon by some headline members of the party and decided against its release. Now, you see, I say Mahama some few weeks ago, I say, let me take this line again. Also, one of Asase News' sources within the NDC confirmed that a few weeks ago, the NDC election 2020 flag bearer wrote a concession statement to issue, but was impressed upon by some hardline members of the party and decided against its release. The opposite of Mahama Krano, where you're not just an Kobe concede na watro statement, a year concession statement, bia, what Baba Beka say, oh, Ekufo-Addo, the way we near say, ni say, but NDC phobi, a catcher and say, ma on ye. But you see, you the same person, Aka, say Mahama, no, ye dilly dally, and a dilly dally. Not to say he was indecisive, he was aimlessly wasting time. Because, bro, that's what it means. Me read the dictionary, that's what it means. Aimlessly wasting time. Wow, what can say he was aimlessly wasting time? Wow, Baba can say Mahama Krano or Troy said and call Baba concede. Into over concede, no, NDC for being a catcher more in ya. Not to say, or no, now will waste time, and I say, which one should we take? He himself was wasting the time, or a NDC in crowd for a catcher more in which is which. Now, that's what I say. Another source close to the former president says he himself was settled about conceding and congratulating President Ekufo-Addo, but was concerned about the negative reactions that were bound to follow from the rank and file of his party. Into say another source akatre or more asasi radio say Mahama nekra no we na dwen say nanka wo ba na baba ba katre Ekufo-Addo say Ekufo-Addo we de wa na we ni ye now so osuro de na NDC for ebimo edebeye no, because mind you answer na Mahama kra no wo be ba bonze say wo be kasa Kelvin Taylor kra ba bonze be man won say wo nim no be consider wo no Mahama no be hu de Kelvin Taylor le be no. So asamwa omoso kana no see. In total, President Ekufo-Addo polled 6 million, 7 blah blah blah. As a former President Mahama, 21 clear days after the declaration of the election results by the chairperson of the Electoral Commission and returning officer for presidential election in Ghana, Jean Mensa, on the 30th of December 2020, filed a petition at the Supreme Court seeking to annul the election results and praying the court to order a runoff election between him and President Ekufo-Addo, blah, blah. We all know this. As in his address to the media a few hours after the Supreme Court judgment, Mr. Mahama noted that while he is well aware that he is bound by the Supreme Court verdict, he disagrees vehemently and with the court's decision. Political scientists and commentators after his address expressed disappointment over the fact that the NDC flag bearer failed to concede defeat and to congratulate Nana-Addo for winning the 2020 election. So this is by Wilberforce Asare, who works with Asasi Radio. So that is the article. One more say, sources close to them, say, finally, Mahama Wababa on Tiababe concede. Akatre Ekufo-Addo say, Ekufo-Addo why are there? So we need 2020 elections now. Now, will be a very plan. Mama Ati said, Nipa Kra me who say war share article we. Interesting me. President Ekufo-Addo, ne cousin. A friend Gabriel Tredako was share a year social media, Twitter, and I mean who. A lot of people came to comment. Obia Sama will be saying and they say, will that make you return the Japan money? It will be baby sir. Gabriel Tredako say inti Ghana. Or say inti se Mahama will consider wo Gabriel Tredako say e Japan sika na wo ho no. Ebema wo de ababima obi bisa say Japan sika ben. Mind you say a Japan deal no legal consultancy Gabriel Tredako ni legal firm. Now you say allegedly you tian $2 million already. Into no and then will be bisa. Obi also say I will be highly flabbergasted if Mahama finally concedes and congratulates Ekufo-Addo. Obi also say Apu. Obi say to congratulations to his birthday or what? If the election, forget it. JM will not do that. Your uncle didn't win the election. Jean Mensa rigged the election for your uncle and entire Ghanaians know. As someone will be so air canon. Obi also say it dey pain you pao. Obi say what is the obsession with the congratulations thing? Is it that the case that Nada cannot rule if JDM doesn't congratulate him? There are more pressing issues in Ghana, old man. In Tingrofu bisa say na Mahama sebe ni congratulations na whatever ma Ekufo-Addo no. No then ne wom because akwa say the NPP or some elements in the NPP are really fixated on Mahama congratulating Ekufuado. And Obisa says, Mahama one congratulate ya. Ekufuado said, now by no to me and Raniana. And Obin Sobeka said, I wonder the same. So as you can see, a lot of people just bashing Gabi Ochodako for sharing this story. My name is Nkrofo Bebin Sobeka under it. But Chewadwin, make sure subscribe to your second channel and so your subscription do a particular point and then we start posting there. So please do all to subscribe. Montreal Madwin, Medase.